Welcome guys to Sing FX 254 Kenya. Kenya. This week is my week one of turning 8 into 1,000 in 2 months. Fuck. Me wiki noma. I have one of the best trade setups I could have ever asked for this challenge. Kuna high chances I can flip this 8 to around 32.64. By the end of this week, that's a goal. By this week, my goal is to turn 8 to 16. Then week 2 of May, I turn it to 16 to 32. And week 3, 32 to 64. 64 to 128. Yeah. By the end of May, I should have 128. And then from there, it's what we call a joyride. Then the first week of June to the last week of the June, I should have flipped that account to even 2K. Fuck. So let's start. My number one trade is Euro card. Second trade is CAD GPY. I have a number of them, but my best trading setup is on Euro card, CAD GPY. I'm gonna sell Euro card, buy CAD GPY, buy Euro GBP or Euro Great Britain Pound, sell GP card, buy GP card, and then also I think it's I sell at GPOD, buy on USD Swiss franc and Euro NSD. It's a sell. Let's start on the monthly time frame on EuroCAD. You can see this is my area of interest. Yeah, this is too bold. This is too bold, motherfucker. Too. This is too bold. Anyway, let's focus on this zone. Let's focus on this zone. You can see when the market trapped here, it's sold. Again, sold. Sold. And also sold. It's a very well respected area. Sold. Sold. Massive sell off. Resistance, 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 fucking resistance, and the support here. Inside this, you can see the monthly closes a nice dodge. This is a very significant significant confluence. I was looking for the word confluence. See, doji sell off. What the fuck is this? Fucking doji sell off. Fucking doji sell off. Then we already have that fucking doji candle. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, you can see we had our doji candle, and then this was our resistance here, and then our support. Now we have engulfed this previous candle forming a weekly engulfing candle, and then at the same time breaking that structure. And now we are coming to retest this fucking structure. That's good. Okay, the weekly time frame is bullish, but when you come to the daily, the structure changes. You can see we made this low, high, we broke structure, and then it became bullish again. We can't say this is a high because it didn't broke this previous high. So here we fucking broke it. So this was a high, then we formed another low, high, and then we have broken this low. Now you're currently creating a lower low, a lower high, and then fucking sell off. Fucking sell off. Here's a very simple way of seeing the market. Lower low, high, lower low, new high, new lower low, high, break of structure, and then we're currently creating this. Yeah. So daily is bearish, and when we go to time frame in sync, daily bearish, then it's the 4 hours. I'm in love with the 4 hours candle Monday. Let's say a low, high, low, high, the shift. We're currently making our way back to this EMA. We trust the EMA, the 50 EMA for our sell off. In the process, we made this left shoulder, our head, right shoulder, and currently we have broken the neckline. So we're retesting the neckline, which we already did, but one thing I'm not liking about this market, we didn't make our way back to the EMA, but I think it's coming. In our 1 hour time frame, I'm looking forward for this this Friday's high should be swept. That's one of the things, that's a fact. It should be swept enough if I can do it higher. So I'm anticipating for this, and then we come shift structure, retrace, then we sell. So looking forward for something like that, and then our stop should be around there. Risk reward of 8. Very nice. Very nice. Or we do this. I wait for the right confirmation when it breaks this support. Wait for the retest, then sell. My first take profit for this trade will be this moving average, because I really know that this EMA can potentially move the market upward. But if I will, if I will have entered here, sidhani katastuka juu it cannot push the price back to that fucking place. Then my other take profit will be this minor support. Extreme will be this low for risk ratio to 8. This can easily flip my account to from, like say, current balance is 8. I risk for this trade. And then for in a risk ratio of 1:8, that is 4 times 8. Do the math, do the math. That is 32. Okay. You can see this area is it's a very strong weekly area of interest. Let me mark it as my support, my weekly support. New endorsement. Support, Support, resistance, 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 and now we broke it. What do you expect as a normal man, as a normal trader, for this to come and retest this fucking structure, for it to come up? Yeah. So this could be a very nice swing trade, I mean a bound trade of the challenge. Yeah, that's basically it for the this trade can literally happen tonight or tomorrow, New York session, London session. Tomorrow's London session. Yeah, I've just set my alarms. Let me set my alarms at this high because I know this fucking high should be swept. How do you make this thing change? Fuck it. Turn some picture. Ta-da-da, ta-da-da, ta-da. Mapangale. Nataka nipigie market mapangale. Okay, to my second trade of the week. Let's start with the weekly time frame. This market was choppy the whole of last month. It took me on break even, stop loss, and then going straight to my TP. What the fuck is that? Okay, our high, and then we form this fucking low, that high, low, and now yeah, made our new higher high. What do you expect? A new lower low for a new for a new for a new higher high. Let's see the structure. Obviously, this is very bullish. Is this precise? Yeah, have I made mark it precisely? No, that's why. Very bullish. Daily time frame. Daily time frame. Okay. You know my chart is untidy, but okay, you can see your structure with a low, high, low, high, low, high, lower low, lower high, and then shifted, became, let's say, became bearish, higher high, formed a fucking lower low somewhere here. Yeah, and then became a little bit choppy, and then we formed a new higher high. For me, for a break of structure to happen, you should have, let me show you something. The structure should have body closed above the previous structure. As you can see, this body closing is above this. Like, you don't need a lens to see this. Blind. Blind me. For a better entry, I should wait for this. Ish, the fuck. Sorry. For better entry, I should wait for a retest there for a buy. But who's Kanye? Okay, daily bullish, weekly bullish, 4 hours should be bullish. There's no need of me drawing these stupid lines. You should see this is a lower high. This is a lower high, lower low. Lower high, higher low, fucking new high. Bullish. Okay. Here's where I was telling you this market was choppy. I had how many entries in this trade? 1, 2, three trades, and only one hit my TP. Okay, there's something here that has made me even love this trade more better. Here's our the left shoulder, and then our head, and then our right shoulder. Then we have broken it, and then what do you expect? What do you fucking expect? A retest. We just say this. We just say this structure is invisible. Msione hii. Just say this structure. Need price to come, retest for a buy, which is very demure. Next one, Euro GB, Euro Great Britain pounds, GBP. Mimi mkikui manzi. Start on the weekly time frame again. This chart is very messy. Fuck. Okay, you can see this is our low, our lower high. Then we form the low, then form the high, a low, fucking shifted. Weekly bullish, daily higher high, low, bullish. And then here is where we can see the magic. Mukaya. Fuck it. Msikioni hizo vitu. You can see another magic here. Left shoulder, our head, and then our fucking right shoulder. Oh, which is this thing I've taken online? Higher left shoulder, fucking right shoulder, our head, and then our right shoulder, and then we have broken, completing our change of character, like our shift from bearish momentum to a bullish momentum, which is a good thing. And I had got some magic here, magic entry. So I'm anticipating for this trade to come lower a bit. I don't believe this is the exact push it did, but it's in a area of interest. It was quite respected for a while. As you can see, support, and goes on. But I'm anticipating for it to come and retest this fucking support, resistance, nice resistance, and again resistance, and then retesting the EMA. Daily bullish, weekly bullish. Well, you only need 2 time frames in sync. The 4 hours, as you can see, is bearish, but I'm anticipating for it to make a new lower low, and then maybe if I will miss my entry here, I can acquire it here. I'm not seeing this trade happening this week, but that will make a watch list. My other trade is GP card. I've been waiting for this trade for the fucking longest time. For the longest time, manzi. You can see that the weekly is very bullish. This is one of my favorite pairs. Now this swing in Shikanga up, I'll show you guys. Very fucking very nice, very more. Okay, let me hide. Low, high, low, new fucking high. Retested this structure, Then nice weekly engulfing candle. What do you expect? Price to come lower for a new high. Weekly bullish. Fucking daily momentum. This is our high. Fucking low. This is not a high. So our high was this point. I should use this pointer. This was a high, low, fucking new high, fucking new low. So we're not bearish either. We are just like consolidate